Hi everyone, welcome to NX70X station. Name here is Nelson from Western Washington. So hoping that you enjoyed the next video, which is coming related with the screwdriver antenna. This particular antenna is Tar Heel 200 Alpha, which I've been having issues it goes up but it doesn't go down. It got stuck. I've been using the antenna for 6 years and thousands of miles already, so I figured out it's been really good. So hoping that you learn something out of the video, and thank you for being patient watching the video also at the same time, and hoping that is gonna help a lot of ham operators around the world. So, and for any station I had any contact in the past, thank you very much for being there. We do appreciate every one of you guys being up there, and girls being up there. Thanks a lot. Take care, 73s, and happy DXing. Hoping you enjoy the video. Hey, NX70X back up here. This is basically the setup we got, what we had with the Tar Heel on the commute car, which we use 90% of the time. As you can see, connections is coming from the hitch at the bottom. Put some screws over there, square 2 inches square tubing coming out, and stainless steel rod. We build we build down here, let me see, where's that at? Right there. Okay, we build a little box from Radio Shack to protect the coil from the rain. This is the way the coil wire comes out from one side, and this is the other side which goes to the ground, and that's where basically the Tar Heel is gonna go to. That's basically where it's gonna go. Wires, ground wire come down here. We got one more ground wire coming down here. All this attached to it, and some of them they go some wire, ground wire, strap ground wire. Everything is going to the ground, and all this ground basically is attached to all the frame of the car. Remember, ground. Okay, now I'm gonna walk you through the troubleshooting here on our Tar Heel. We tore the Tar Heel apart. We were having issue with the antenna. It wasn't moving. It was going up, but it wasn't coming down at all. So it goes up and up, but doesn't come down and down. So we start doing troubleshooting with the antenna switch, which is the original one. Is basically this one here. This is the original antenna switch. Okay, but we got one of those digital antenna switch, which is basically this one down here. We're gonna light it up. That's basically the digital antenna switch what we got to do that control. Very simple one, but very efficient. I've been having him for the last and there's our mobile radio. Let's see if you can see it. There it goes. Set up right there. And we got at the top of the vehicle, the 2 meters 440. And we got the 706 on this side. That's basically what it goes, and it's still, I got a SWR watt meter here. Let's turn on and off. SWR watt meter, which basically help me to make sure my SWR is low all the time and keep track on my tire heel. Make sure it's gonna have a long life, the radio, like that won't burn the finals. That's a good suggestion for every ham operator. Okay, this is what we got inside the vehicle, and the vehicle basically is a Chevy Blazer S10, small little Blazer basically. Alright, let's go back up here to the troubleshooting, why the antenna wasn't going up and down. First thing what we're gonna need is one of these meters to define if we are getting power to the base of the antenna from the antenna switch. Okay, once we identify we are getting power from the antenna switch to the base of the antenna, there's no trouble over there. Next thing what we gotta identify is basically connections at the bottom of the antenna. Okay, right here let me give you some little I changed some of these little details over here. I had a little false connection with the original connection, so I tried this, and I got some more from Radio Shack. We're gonna replace those ones. We're gonna put a new ones to make sure all the connections, they're gonna be just perfect. 4 plugs in, 4 plugs out. Okay, let me give you a little bit, okay, a little bit idea related with this wire connections. Stand by.